guys, welcome back to Turbostorm's channel. For a change, I would like to show you guys an unboxing video of one of my favorite parcel. So I used to order my item through online platform using their official website, and I just got this parcel in 3 days, and that's actually quite fast during this COVID-19 pandemic. So but anyways guys, okay, let's begin to open this parcel. Oh my god, guys, I can already see it. Oh, that's great. Oh guys, I'm super excited guys. Oh my god, this is insane. Oh my god, oh, that's great. Okay guys, there it is. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Wait. Oh my god, that's so great guys. Oh my guys, look at this guys, this is so great. Oh my god guys, yes, it's a golden wool Falcon ultra lightweight travel bag. Trust me guys, it's very light, just about 0.8 gram only. So the size of the bag is about 45 cm height and 31 cm length and 19 cm width. So, and the weight is just 0.8 gram only. So it's actually waterproof polyester material, with splash proof surface from light rain. Moreover, it's heat release material, which means sweat friendly to prevent odor smell. So okay guys, okay, so look at this guys. It's a ergonomic human body design which will prevent backache, and also guys, okay, and there is okay, and there is where is it? Okay, so there is a USB port. As you can see, there's a USB port, so we can charge our phone and everything. Okay, charge our phone. Okay, so this is a USB port, and also there is and there are water bottle compartment, and there's another one water bottle, and there's other, and there are actually 2 water bottle compartments, and that's really convenient. So okay, oh my god guys, this is so nice guys. Look at the logo guys. Oh, the golden wolf, that's so nice guys. Okay, so there are actually there are 10 and more compartments. So let me show you guys all the compartments one by one. Okay, so this is the first compartment, I mean the first one. Okay, so this is the first one guys, the first one. Okay, so the inside color is orange color, and that's so nice. So that's it guys, and there's more. We can like put our pencils or our phone over here like this guys. We can keep our phone inside of it, and that's really nice and safe. Okay. Okay, so this is where we can. Okay, so this is where we can keep our laptop. As you can see, there's a laptop thing. Okay, so this is where we can open it, and then we can keep our laptop over here, and it's really safe, guys. Okay, so guys, so not only phone, guys, we can actually keep some small notebooks over here, and also any like pen or glue. It's very easy. Yes, guys, it's very easy and fits in very easily. So here we can keep any like books or anything, guys. So okay. Guys, oh, this is so nice, guys. I actually loving it. Okay, so this is the back, and this is so nice, and it's so nice, guys. Oh my god, guys, look at this. I love it. Oh, that's so great, right? Yes. Wow. So that's it, guys. Wait, let me check. Okay. So this is the place we can hold the bag very nicely. It's very comfortable and so nice. It's so comfortable over here. Okay, this bag is actually very comfortable, okay, so that's it, guys. So this is the bag, the Golden Wool Falcon ultralight bag. This is the Golden Wool Falcon ultralight travel bag. If you guys satisfied my video, please guys don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell. And guys, don't forget to comment down below. If you like my video, don't forget to like, guys. But anyways, bye guys.